I'm going to show you some ways to style your this season's hair ties. So I have two sizes with me today, and I have the brown is the classic, and then the black is the extended size. So it's just about an inch longer, it looks like, from the classic. But the most used, I would say for myself, is the classic, just because it goes on my wrist nicely with carrying it around and having it easy. And so I'll just kind of show you my most used way of styling it is obviously the classic pony. So I'll show you my ponytail and just how nicely it goes in the hair. One thing about them is that they're really soft, and they don't crease the hair, which is so nice for when you do a ponytail. So that's kind of what it looks like as a pony. And it's nice, you can make it as tight or as loose as you want, because I honestly could probably wrap it around another time if I wanted it really tight, but I like mine a little looser just because they're easier on my hair. And the texture is so nice because it doesn't break. Some ponytails are so tight that it breaks the hair, so then when you take it out, you have like a lot of breakage through here. So it's super nice and soft.